For today's word study independent practice, you are going to be working with a partner to spell unknown words. The first person will be using the words from list A and B. They are going to say the word, tell their partner the number of letters that the word has. If we use the word decorate, we will say the word slowly. We will tell them that it has 8 letters. Partner 2 will then use this sheet to determine which letter boxes they should use, just like you did with your teacher earlier. We would want to use this one since there are 9 and it has 8 letters. We are going to think about how we would spell the word decorate, and we're going to put 1 letter per box. Then you will check the spelling. If you have spelled it correctly, you will then type it on this document right here. You and your partner will take turns switching roles to complete this activity.